In the rural heartland of Lusikisiki in the Eastern Cape, Zanele Ndlovu co-founded the Novulak Valiwe Library, a safe haven for learners to access literature, digital resources, and career guidance. Zanele is not only a literacy advocate, but also an author. Her book, Umakweyana, written in isiZulu, preserves indigenous languages and brings stories to life for children in their mother tongue. Partnering with the Turn On the Subtitles campaign, Zanele's mission expands further. By turning on the subtitles in African languages, everyday screen time can become an opportunity for children to strengthen their reading skills. Her storytelling transcends through the written word. Through music and oral narratives, Zanele follows the African tradition of educating through stories that captivate and inspire. Reading in your own language is powerful, and it connects us to our roots and gives children the confidence to learn and grow. Let's ensure that every child has access to books in their own language. Join us, support local authors, turn on the subtitles, and help build a generation of readers.